Hey everybody, what's up? I am here in Louisiana where I am doing the vending machine hack, real or fake. Now let's see if this works. It said star, star, pound, star, pound, star, pound. So let's do it. You can watch the numbers. Okay, I think you can see. And then let's just C8, no, D8. And look, it says price 75 cents. Look at that, 75 cents. That's fake. Now it says for a free drink. No, for a free drink. No, for a free snack, it's 137, 137, 137. Let's see if that's real. It says, I don't know if you can see that, but it says something like, I'll show you what it says. Look. Wait. It said make another selection. A4. Let's see if that works. It said drop all money. Oh, let's see, 75 cents for some gum. I don't have any change. Well, bye. We know that this is fake. So, bye. Please subscribe and like.